Hello, my name is Greg and I dev stuff. Welcome to episode 44 of Vampire Survivors-like game in Unity. So let's say you want to introduce more conditional unlock of the stages, like making certain stage requiring multiple stage completions or some side quests. Right now we unlock levels only in sequential order, by just simply completing the previous stage in the order. Instead, we want to introduce a way to make prerequisites for the stages. Open the stage data. Create list of required stages to unlock stages. This list will contain an IDs referencing the list of completions on the player data, allowing us to reference multiple stages which needs to be completed for this stage to be unlocked. So if your stage have no completion requirements, it should be unlocked from the get-go. So first stage will have none. Meanwhile, second will require the first stage to be completed, so the requirement ID it will have ID of 0, and for the third stage you will put 1, to make it be unlocked by completing second stage of the game. Now inside the level select panel, we need to use the required completions on the stage to determine if the stage is unlocked. To do this, we need to reference the stage data of the stage related to the button. So on the start game component, create new public field for the stage data. In the editor, reference the stage data of the stage this button is leading towards. In the level select panel, we have to reference start game component instead of game object. Check the reference to the buttons in the Unity editor. And now let's rewrite the process of the updating buttons. Cycle through all the stage select buttons. And go and create a new method called updateButtons. Inside this new method we will read the prerequisite stage completion to unlock. And if all of them are true, we will return true. If any of them are not completed, it means that this stage is not unlocked, and we will return false. Let's add the exit gate for stage completion to unlock list, just in case it is somehow new. Set the button to be active based on the result of our method. This is it. If you set up everything correctly, your system should work now. Let's test this. Good. Let's rename the start game component into the select stage button.
Make sure to use must rename.
Actually, when I think about it, you can use this completion stage system in a way more flexible way. Let's create a new stage. Which to be unlocked will require a completion of the second stage and completion of the fifth stage, which will actually be a special condition. For example, it will require to have at least 10,000 coins on your account. So create another new component to the panel called Unlock Stage Condition. And inside, reference the data container.
So we will be able to read and set the stage completion based on some kind of condition.
Then on enable, we will unlock the fifth stage completion if our amount of coins stored on the player account is more than 10,000. This is a rough testing system. We will come back to this to improve upon it over time. Just be careful to not introduce multiple overlapping flags. Set up reference for the data container in the editor and introduce a new button. Make sure to reference the fourth stage. Reference the button. And let's test this. Now if I launch the game and I have less than 10,000 coins, level folder will not be visible. If I have more than 10,000, it will be visible. As I said, this is just a demonstration. We will be changing and improving this system over time. Next episode will work more on polishing this aspect of the game. This is it for this episode. Special thank you to Stray Chelzo. With best regards, see you in the next episode.